from the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the heat stays on, but as the week wears on, say Wednesday through about Friday, the heat not necessarily as intense as what it has been. And tomorrow we're actually going to start to introduce some rain chances, especially for the second half of the day. Some of those could be on the stronger side, so we'll get into that. Plus, we'll have a look out in the tropics. We have a tropical storm to talk about and another area of disturbed weather behind it. So let's get to the upper level pattern. And again, we have high pressure off to our south and west. Now an area of low pressure that's essentially going to be cut off across the southeastern U.S. for the better part of the week ahead. And what we're going to see tomorrow is one of these upper level disturbances try to split the difference, move right in between the two features, and that'll help to create atmospheric lift. And as that heat builds up throughout the day, should help to give us a better scattering of some showers and storms, which the Storm Prediction Center already has all of Acadiana locked in for a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 for severe storms. And again, some of those storms could contain hail, damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado, but the first two would be more likely there. Now, satellite radar composite late this evening, pretty quiet here in Acadiana. Some big time storms though as you get across southeastern Louisiana. Again, power Doppler 3 quiet here locally, but notice across the basin as you get into the North Shore area here, Mandeville over towards Slidell, some big time late evening storms, torrential downpours, quite a bit of lightning. We've seen a tornado warning earlier as well. All of those gradually moving to the southeast, likely will impact New Orleans as it crosses the lake there. But all of this staying east of Acadiana, so we should stay relatively quiet overnight tonight. And again, out in the tropics, pretty active, especially for the month of June. This map may be more indicative of, say, August or September, not necessarily the middle and latter parts of June. We have Tropical Storm Brett, and right behind it, another area of disturbed weather. Doesn't look too terribly bad late this evening. That now has a 60% chance to develop over the next 7 days. And if it were to develop, the name would be Cindy. So first off, Brett, it has winds of 40 miles per hour. It's moving to the west pretty quickly at around 18 miles per hour. And in the short term, environmental conditions pretty favorable, so it is expected to strengthen here over the next couple of days. Likely will become the season's first hurricane at a Category 1, but as it tracks westward, it's going to be encountering a very unfavorable weather environment. A lot of upper level wind shear out here in the Caribbean, so as it moves through there, likely going to weaken. National Hurricane Center highlighting that there, and it's backed up with the European model. We can track the moisture field. Again, there goes Brett. Gradually it dissipates it as it heads through the Caribbean. Again, thanks to that those strong upper level winds. Cindy, or future Cindy, likely heading out into the open Atlantic down the line. So we'll keep an eye on those two, but at this point doesn't present any sort of threat to the Gulf of Mexico nor us here in Acadiana. In the short term, we're going to see temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s by tomorrow morning. Mixture of sunshine and clouds throughout the day. Latest HERM model again kind of delays some of those scattered showers and storms more so toward the evening hours. If that's the case, temperatures easily will climb into the mid, even upper 90s in spots. And notice HERM finally shows those scattered showers and storms arriving tomorrow evening, some of which again could be on the stronger side. And any storm that we see get going during the summer easily can also produce heavy rainfall and quite a bit of lightning. Temperatures upper 70s to lower 80s. Most of us push at least into the mid 90s tomorrow afternoon. As far as rain timing and coverage, again, we're going to weight rain chances more so toward the second half of the day, afternoon, evening hours at around 40 to 50%. So 80 is your projected low tonight. Fair to partly cloudy skies out there. No major issues. All those big storms remaining east of the area. And for tomorrow, 96 your projected high. Heat indices remaining in the triple digits. Scattered showers and storms mainly for the second half of the day. Won't be raining all day long. 40 to 50% there, with some stronger storms possible with the heat building throughout the day. Mostly coastal storms on Wednesday. Rain chances down to 30%. 94 to 95 for that projected high. Lows pretty much remaining in the low to mid 90s for the rest of the week. Rain chances 30 to 40%, but it looks like a little bit of a drier and hotter pattern returning toward the end of that 10-day period. But that's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We're going to have more news coming up after the break.